And I went ahead and started with my primer from ilmakiage, which is the no filter primer. And then I went in with my ilmakiage Woke Up Like This foundation in 155 with a damp beauty blender. Now I'm taking my Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer in the number 15, and I'm just highlighting areas that I think need highlighting, which is my under eyes, my forehead, and down the bridge of my nose, as well as the tip of my nose. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in Walnut, and I'm just going to use this as a cream contour to contour my nose, my cheekbones, my forehead. So I decided to lay down my base first because you want a barrier in between the face paint and your face. That way there's no excessive drying out or anything. I could have really just put on my primer first and then jumped right into the painting, but I like to lay down my foundation first. That way I don't have to do it later and there's nothing being covered up. Now I'm just going to take my A31 brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills and just blend out my contour very carefully, making sure not to mix in my highlight with my contour. And you don't want to like smear the product around because it'll just turn muddy and we do not want that. Now I'm just buffing my cream contour into my foundation, making sure that it's blended fairly seamlessly before I blend my highlight with my beauty blender. So I'm just going to buff that in really well and then we'll move on. Now taking my smaller beauty blender from Real Techniques, I'm just going to blend in my highlight. And don't worry about your nose contour right now. We're going to do that in a minute with a brush. Contour and highlight to be very dramatic, but also subtle. I don't know if that really makes sense, but hey, it makes sense to me, so that's what we're doing. Now I'm going to be taking my ilmakiage 202 Duo Fiber blending brush and I am going to blend out my nose contour. I just use patting motions. I don't really wipe because I feel like the cream product gets wiped around, and just kind of buffing it in. Now I'm taking a white liner to kind of map out where the rips in my mouth are going. I am taking Winter Rose from P. Louise to just color in the gums, and then I'm gonna go in with her Poppin Pink base to kind of give it a little bit of dimension. My ilmakiage Color Boss palette or Color Boss quad in Trendsetter, and I'm just gonna use that like warm burgundy shade to kind of shade in my gums to give it a little bit more dimension. P. Louise Mimi Mitchell collaboration eye paint and Ecstasy to also color in my teeth. Now I'm taking a water activated paint to just fill in all the negative spaces that the torn mouth will be. Now I'm going back into that Trendsetter palette to just add in some more shadows and dimension around the teeth. You want more dimension. You want your teeth to look kind of realistic. So kind of look at your teeth and see, where you see shadows, and this will help you tremendously. Now we're going into the Call the Shots palette, into that deep chocolate brown to add even more shading, especially underneath the lip area or what you're creating to be the lip area. So it looks like that flap is kind of hanging over your gums, and that's where the light will not hit. Now I'm taking my Alyssa Edwards palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to set those teeth in those dark spaces. And now I'm taking my LA Colors Liquid Chrome Liner in Liquid Gold to outline my teeth. And you want to take that black shadow from the Alyssa Edwards palette and just shade in the sides of your teeth to get more dimension. Now I'm just adding this white liner to make the teeth look shiny. Lip liner from the Carly Bible and ilmakiage collection, which is Luna, to just draw in the creases from where my mouth is going to be open. And I'm taking the Waka bronzer to kind of shade in those areas as well where I put that liner. I'm taking the Chandelier Mineral Baked highlighter from ilmakiage and just warming up my cheeks, giving them a nice sun-kissed glow, and adding a highlighter